In a bowl, take 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of buttermilk and oil. Mix everything well. Sift 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 3/4 teaspoon salt. Add 1½ cups of white granulated sugar. Blend everything well. It should take about 1 to 2 minutes. Pour the cake batter into 8 by 3 inch greased cake pan and bake at 375 Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. Once the cake cools down, cut it into 2 equal layers. To prepare the cherry syrup and filling, I have used fresh cherries. Start by pitting 1½ cups of fresh cherries. Transfer it to a bowl in a low to medium setting. Add 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar, half a cup of water, and I've added 2 tablespoons of kirsch. Kirsch is a fermented cherry brandy. You can skip this ingredient if you don't want to use it. Boil this mixture for about 7 to 8 minutes or until the cherries are soft. Strain the mixture and save the syrup and the filling in a separate bowl in the refrigerator until it is ready to be used. Soak the bottom layer of the cake with 1/4 cup of cold syrup. In a cold bowl, take about 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. Whip the cream by adding 1/3 cup of powdered sugar halfway through the process. Make sure that at the end of the process, the stiff peaks are formed. It takes about 10 to 12 minutes. Add the whipped cream to the bottom layer of the soaked cake. Add cold cherry filling in between. Place some more whipped cream on the cherry filling. Repeat this process for another layer and cover the rest of the cake with the whipped frosting. Before frosting the entire cake, I refrigerated it for about 1 hour. It tastes the best when it is chilled for about 3 to 4 hours before serving.